Hello, and welcome back. This is V and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello.
And today is a quick video, and it is my curry powder recipe. And before we head on over, I want you to go down below and comment. Do you make your own spices or do you buy your spices? And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So here I have laid out all the ingredients, but don't worry, we'll have everything down below in the description box. And I'm gonna start with my curry leaves, which I've ground up. And this is optional in the recipe, but if you have them, go ahead and use them. So this is 1 tablespoon of curry powder. My funnel is not exactly
cooperating with the leaves.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, we got them in there. Then I have coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. This is gonna take a while. Hold on, let me get something. So, trying to get my spices in there, which makes me think maybe I need another funnel.
Like a wide mouth funnel.
Yeah. Where do you get those?
I got it with my canning stuff. It's in the canning section.
Oh, okay.
Because it fits the top of the canning jar. You know.
Ah. Alright, so my coriander is in there. Now I'm gonna add cumin. I have 2 tablespoons of cumin going in. And it smells good already though. And this is a good one to spice up any recipe. I know we have a curried lentil soup on the channel here. Mm-hmm. You could make this and then we'll make that.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
And then I have turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric. That went in quick. And then I have ginger. Now I'm using ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. And then I'm gonna put in mustard, dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. And then over here I have my cayenne, 1 teaspoon cayenne, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper.
So if you like your curry powder like a little bit spicier, could you add a little bit more?
Yeah, you want to add more cayenne if you want it more spicy. And then I have, this is cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I have fennel, ground fennel seeds, and this is 1 tablespoon of it. And then I have cardamom. And this didn't really exactly powder up, but this is fine too. It gives a really good taste in food. But if you like it more ground, you can ground it.
You can also buy ground cardamom.
Yeah. You can, yeah, that's true. You can buy ground cardamom. And this is about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom going in. And there you have it. And then all you gotta do is close it up.
And see, this is how I keep all mine too, in a jar.
Yeah.
Because when you just add it to the jar and shake it up,
Yeah.
and you're ready to go.
Ready to go. It's
And
so easy.
It's ready to store, and you just keep it in the jar. Does it smell good?
It smells really, really good.
Look at it here.
It's not really yellow. You can add more turmeric if you want it to be more yellow, because I know generally curry powders are more yellow. You can add more turmeric to it, but
It smells really good.
yeah, but it's a flavor pack in here. So if you're looking to spruce up any vegetables, you can take your potatoes, put some lemon, toss them in curry powder, air fry them. Delicious. I'm telling you, curry powder is my one thing that I go to when I make something and I feel like it's missing that oomph. I'll add curry powder to it. So this is a pretty quick recipe, and this is something I came up with on my own. This is my own recipe, but there's many available on, but this one, I'm telling you, it's really delicious. So give it a try. Now head on over to kindredvegans.com, sign up for your newsletter, and we will see you back here next week. Bye.
Bye.